Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, connect your keyboard using USB OTG or Bluetooth to your mobile. Make sure the device runs Android 7, 0 or newer for best compatibility. Prefer a wired keyboard that reports 1 ms response and 1000 Hz polling to minimize latency. Open Settings and enable developer input options if required by your key mapper. Grant any keyboard or accessibility permissions that the mapping app requests before you launch the game. Keep your phone charged above 20% to avoid thermal throttling and input lag during play. Open your key mapping app and load the game overlay to begin mapping. Map movement to WASD and assign aiming, or look to arrow keys or mouse emulation controls. Configure key repeat delay to 30 milliseconds and set double tap thresholds near 200 milliseconds for responsive combos. If your mapper supports DPI scaling, test sensitivity equivalent to 800 DPI for consistent aim. Bind grenades, melee, and reload to easy reach keys and program macros on unused function keys. Save the profile and name it for quick switching between games. Launch the game and set graphics to stable 60 or 120 Hz to match polling benefits. Disable on-screen touch overlays and game vibration to reduce interference and unnecessary input noise. Turn off high-power background services to keep CPU frequency stable while gaming. Adjust in-game sensitivity and vertical aim to match your mapped keys and 800 DPI equivalent mouse feel. Practice in a training map or bot match for at least 30 minutes to build muscle memory. Save final settings and lock the mapping profile to prevent accidental changes mid-match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.